Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. Today I'm going to share with you one of the newest additions to my coffee station that has made the space just so much more organized and beautiful. It is the WENG's bamboo coffee pod storage. And this little organizer is not only beautiful, but it is totally functional. Right out of the box, I could tell that this product was crafted with really high quality bamboo material, and it was going to be super simple to assemble. Thankfully, the instructions came on one single sheet and all of the pre-drilled holes lined up perfectly. I just needed one tool and about 5 minutes to have it ready for use. It definitely feels sturdy, even with my coffee maker fully loaded with water, some extra coffee mugs on hand, and all of the pods fully loaded. It doesn't budge under the weight. In fact, even if I decided to upgrade to a larger model of coffee maker, it would definitely be able to support it without a problem. I've tried a variety of storage options to keep my coffee pods organized, but I always like to have such a variety of flavors on hand. Vertical storage really is difficult for me to get to the desired pod easily, but now with these two-tiered drawers, it's effortless. I can just pull out the drawer, see all of my options at a glance, and select my favorite. Plus, the fact that this holder can accommodate up to 70 K-cups, I always have room to keep the variety fully stocked. I would be totally remiss, though, if I didn't mention the aesthetics of this coffee storage. The natural wood color seamlessly blends into my kitchen space, and it really gave it a little touch of earthy elegance. Now, I know I'm never giving up coffee, but I'm so grateful to have found this WENG bamboo coffee pot holder because it's turned my coffee chaos into a space of order and beauty, and that is my point of view.